What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Raptor. Today we're going to be installing some new rear seat protectors. Alright guys, so I ordered this kit off of Mabett. It is the back seat protectors, so when you have stuff in the cargo area, you're not screwing up all the nice carpet and everything that you have here. They adhere with just some Velcro, and they're going to stick right on the back. Here you're going to have a piece here, there, and one there. So it's a super quick, easy install. We're just going to fold down the seats. We're going to line these up. We're going to attach them. We're going to see how they look, how they hold up. One recommendation I do have is they might come up a little crumpled when you get them in shipping. You can see there's like a little fold here. So a couple different ways. You can either leave them outside in the sun for a couple hours to try to get their natural shape, or with harsh creases like this, you could just do a reverse bend. So wherever you see that crease is, you try to get a little bend on it, but that'll straighten it out pretty much so that you can get it on there and it looks nice and clean. So my recommendation though, and what I did is a couple days before I installed it, I had laid them all out flat on the garage and let them take their natural shape, which you can see the rest of them are all nice and flat. So let's get these popped on there. All right guys, so there you have it. They are in the Mabett rear seat protectors. They're about 50 or 60 bucks. I'll drop the link below. I did get them on Amazon. The fit is not perfect, but it is not bad. Again, it is aftermarket, and for what you're paying on it, you can see it's not like perfectly lined up here, but it's also not bad at all either. So they do line up pretty well. They come off very easily. You can clean them easily, and they're probably a fraction of the price of what Ford would charge for something like this for 50 or 60 bucks. So overall, not a bad product. It'll get the job done. It'll keep the back seat protected and a little more weatherproof. And I think it was overall a good investment. And if for whatever reason they don't hold up, we'll just peel them off and junk them. But overall, I think it's a pretty good product. Like I said, fit is not bad and they look pretty good. So thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for more Bronco Raptor content and keep following the build.